Every child can learn, just not in the same way. The best teachers educate with their hearts, not just their minds. Replace a goal of obedience with one of connection and trust. Children are drawn to those whom they are emotionally connected to. By nurturing not for obedience but for relationship, children are naturally inclined to follow your lead. Children will outgrow toys, clothes, and outfits that you may buy them. But they will never outgrow the time you spent with them and the love you showered on them. So it is vital that when educating our children's brains, we do not forget to educate their hearts. Kids go where there is excitement and stay where there is love. Don't rescue your kids from a challenge. Teach them to face it. If we can really help the children to understand the problem, the answer will come out of it because the answer is not separate from the problem. In the child's own words, when you cut it for me, write it for me, find it for me, and open it for me, all that I learn is that you do it better than me. Don't worry that children don't listen to you. Worry that they are always watching you. So very often, children are punished for being human. They are not allowed to be grumpy, have bad days, disrespectful tone, or a bad attitude. Yet we, as adults, have them all the time. None of us is perfect. So we must stop holding our children to a higher standard of perfection than we can attain ourselves. Yelling silences your message. Speak quietly so that children can hear your words instead of just your voice. When you keep criticizing your children, they don't stop loving you. They stop loving themselves. You can't teach children to behave better by making them feel worse. When children feel better, they behave better. Don't ask the children what they want to be when they grow up. Rather, ask them what problem they want to solve. This changes the focus from who do I want to work for to what do I really need to learn in order to solve that problem. The fact is that kids learn to make good decisions by making good decisions, not by merely following them. Remember, we need to prepare the child for the path and not the path for the child. And never forget that there is only one awesome child in this world and every mother has it. Stay happy and blessed.